Joe here. One of the things that we hear from customers is the challenge of onboarding new technicians. And with Nova, it's a new hire's best friend. With Nova, a technician is able to quickly understand what was done with a piece of equipment, location, before they even got their job. This gives them insight on how items were resolved, and in just a few words, Nova can give them full context to make sure that they're confident in doing their actual job and having full history before they start working.
All right, let's take a look at how we can prompt Nova. I personally love talking to Nova, so I'm going to go ahead and use our voice feature. Nova, I'm a new technician and I have to take care of work order 104. Can you give me a breakdown on all of the work orders that have been completed before and any major issues that this piece of equipment has run into? And in just a few seconds, Nova is putting together a list of all the historical work orders for this piece of equipment, giving this technician full context on what happened even before they started working at the company. It also allows us to see what critical issues this asset has had before, and then also the different ways that it was resolved, helping the technician expedite and have confidence in fixing this piece of equipment.